I just did 13 miles. If you subtract like 0.5 because I will warm up and cool down, I did 12.5. What? Like a half marathon? I'm so happy. Like I'm actually really happy, but there's people walking. But seriously though, that's so good. Billy and I are going to Cocoa Beach, which is on the other coast, and it's better for surfing. And we're trying to make a goal this year to go practice and get better. I personally don't know how to surf at all, so I've only gone twice, and it's been really fun. But he knows how to surf, so I'm gonna like attempt, and I want to practice and get better so I can be a surfer. But he already knows and is like gonna buy a wetsuit and just like he wants to just refine his skills. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So it's kind of early, but we're not gonna work out this morning. We're just gonna hop in the car and then get straight there because it's like a 3-hour drive. I'm gonna bring you guys along, but that's what we're up to. And I'm probably just gonna pack breakfast. And then we already packed sandwiches, snacks, and all of our stuff. So I just need to get changed, brush my teeth, and get in the car. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. She's cute. One with these. I just don't want to wear expensive earrings because you just never know if the wave is going to take them off, right? So, let's go. Oh my gosh, it's so fucking hard to open. Really?
What happened?
This is so hard to open. Holy shit, I'm gonna explode. Ugh, can you help me?
Oh my god. Is this guy in the NBA? Are you filming?
They'd be like, who's this mysterious person?
It's me.
Thank you. She's yummy. I'm just putting it back in the peanut butter jar. Isn't this so efficient?
What the?
So then I can bring it with me.
Warriors to the Nets. Then on Tuesday, Nets to the Celtics, and then on Thursday, Celtics to the fucking Detroit Pistons. Detroit 4 times in a week and a half.
Oh my god! I hope he's not moving.
Yeah, I know. You know what I mean?
No, he probably gets like a grace period to move, right? All the bags. We are officially leaving. We're gonna go get coffee. We just stopped at Starbucks. There was so much traffic on the road.
Yeah,
so we were like, should we just get out and go get a little sweet treat and then continue? So we are doing that, and we were kind of debating also because then you get to the destination later and it's already, we're going to get there around 11. But I think sometimes it's just worth it, you know? Get a little Starbucks sign. But anyway, we're going to go and I'm going to get something fun. I didn't really plan on getting a coffee. Well, actually, did I? Like, I kind of did, kind of didn't. But anyway, we're going to get one, so I'm excited.
See you guys. I see what? Like the lock.
Okay. So, we got a little drink. She's so cute. Wait, how do I... Billy, come. Let's do a taste test. I got a pistachio cold foam, 1 pump hazelnut syrup, 1 pump brown sugar syrup, extra cinnamon, oat milk, brown sugar shaken latte. I don't know, I was kind of like confused. And I wanted it to be like festive with the flavors that they were promoting, but also still what I usually would get. So anyway, we're gonna just try it right now. That's good. Ooh. Ooh, I like it. Really, it's good. I think I'd rather get brown sugar only and no hazelnut, but it's still really good. Billy's here! Okay, Billy, do you like yours?
Yeah, I like mine.
This is what Billy got. He got a hot drink, but I'm more of an iced girly.
More of like a hot drink kind of person.
He never really gets iced.
Can I try yours?
Yeah. My heart. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it tastes like Christmas or something. I don't know why.
Christmas?
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever. He's a hater. They didn't fill it up all the way, but I didn't want to, like, they were really busy and I didn't want to go back inside and be like, can you put more liquid? So I didn't, but usually I would do that, but that's okay. And now I'm going to put my seatbelt on because we're going to go back on the road and continue going to Cocoa Beach. So hopefully we'll be there soon. I think it's going to be another hour and a half. I'm learning.
That's actually sick ass.
Yeah, it's nice. We have the people in. It's so nice at this beach. I'm so happy to be here.
started.
Yeah.
It's not so scary, and I prefer it not being so scary.
This looks like perfectly toasted bread.
That was good though. I'm very happy to be here.
So am I. How is it?
It's really good. It's kind of sweet.
Daily wellness soda.
It's fruit punch.
Whoa, it's like a shock.
Yeah. But it's not like kombucha or anything. It's just... Anyway, it's good.
I don't even want This is what happens.
It was such a beautiful day. We just got back in the car and we're driving back home, and it's our friend's birthday, so we're actually going out, which is something I would usually not do. But I'm actually excited. It'll be nice. So we're just snacking on some... Oh, it just hit
He's also our roommate.
Oh yeah, he's our roommate. And we love you. We love you, Brian.
And everyone's coming to our house.
And everyone's coming to our house.
So we don't have a choice, but it's going to be really fun.
Yeah, and it's going to be really nice. And I honestly am trying to go out more this semester because being like once a month. I love staying at home and like romanticizing the house and a sweet treat and a movie, or just like going to the Sunset Beach. Like, I love other activities, but going out is also such a beautiful thing. So I'm trying to go out more. And you're also not in college for that long, so I feel like it's an important thing to do. But we're going out, so we're just driving home. We have a long drive. And we're eating Simple Mills crackers. Well, I'm eating Simple Mills. Billy's eating Crunch Masters. And yeah, it's so beautiful. I'll show you the view. It's so, so nice. But I just thought I'd update you. So I'll see you later. Bye.
It's like a second until your eyes get like... It's a problem with cars.
Much later than expected, so like people are already here, but I have no idea what I'm wearing, and it's not this. But I'm still doing my eyeliner. Oh my god, it's so not this. This is what we have currently, but like it's not gonna be this. It's just a black little skirt with this top and this, but no. Also, I need to dry my hair. This is the behind the scenes. I'm never early to anything. So I'm gonna figure this out. I decided to do my mascara. Now I have this outfit, but it's really cute. I just don't know if it's nighttime like style. See it? It's like this. It's so cute, but I don't know if it's like nighttime. the week that you wanted to do today?
I want to go to the dollar store.
Is it bad to have too much egg whites?
No, that's a lot.
I know. You want to go to the dollar store, yeah?
Yeah. What are you doing on Sunday? Smart.
I think it's because the lights are.
It's pretty clear to me.
We're gonna go to the pool, so I'm very excited. But I'm gonna bring this downstairs because it's already kind of late in the day. Because we just spent the morning cleaning and we woke up late because we went out last night for my friend's birthday. So, yeah, let's get into it. Let's go downstairs. First, cacao nibs on top because I love them. They're too good. And they add a little crunch. Although cleaning can be annoying, it's so nice to have a clean apartment and just to feel so refreshed and that your space is so taken care of. It just feels great. So it's worth it if you need that little push. Let's go.
Who do you think's gonna win? Chiefs or Eagles?
Eagles? I don't even know. I don't even know, like.
No, wait, that's the team that Mike wants to win.
Oh, perfect.
I was gonna ask you if you wanted kind of straight thing, like we could just leave after our class on Thursday. Skip all the traffic.
I'm just doing some work and then we're going to go to the dollar store, the grocery store, and we're going to eat dinner. We're going to make burger bowls, which I'm so excited about. I've been wanting burger bowls for so long, so I'm so excited. We have the sweet potato, we have all the toppings, and then we're gonna crack open a kombucha, of course. So I'm just gonna do some work until we make dinner. And, honestly, it's been pretty productive for the time that we've been awake, but we haven't been awake for that long, so that's why there hasn't been too much done. I've been having these. The nutrition in this is so good, but it's odd because they're like, this isn't a vitamin, but they can't really lie, can they? Anyway, this is functional mushroom gummies. They're just so fun. So they're kind of nice to eat and like do your work. It's a fun little snack. But I'm just gonna do some work and then I'll talk to you later. Bye. You don't see anything?
I think you're gonna look. Yeah.
I am looking for the burger bowl recipe. So excited. I gotta find it though. This is what we're dealing with. Wait, I'm gonna show you today. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, so we actually don't have guacamole and we don't have sour cream. And she already had a pre-made sauce, but I think I can like make a nice sauce. I know you don't really care for sauces. I'm talking to Billy. Billy's not a sauce type of guy, apparently. Don't mind this. But yeah, we don't have any guac, but we have avocado, so we could use that.
Man, look at that.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Alright, should we?
We're gonna have kombucha. Today's flavor of choice is Guava Goddess from GTS. This is my favorite kombucha brand. And then we have the meat, sweet potato, and grilled onion. Now we're just gonna form our bowls and enjoy. Literally.
Sweet potato.
Ooh, that looks so good. We have tomatoes, lettuce, parsley. I don't want this to tip over. We have beef, caramelized onion, cheddar cheese, and sweet potato. Yay! I'm gonna grab some ketchup and I'm gonna grab, I think that's it. I was gonna make a little In-N-Out sauce, but Billy doesn't want any, so I feel like it's not worth it. But next time when I'm with my girlfriends, I'll make it.
What kind of hate is that?
And we're gonna have some kombucha. I love dinner. Dinner is like so vibes. Spices on top.
I didn't even know how to eat this. So I just dig in.
Yeah. First we have the cheers though.
Cheers, Arjun. Thank you.
Yum. Yeah. I'm so
Look at this bite.
excited.
Meat, cheese, potato, tomato.
Whoa.
Was it a song?
Yeah, it is a song. That's why I was like, okay.
Put onions on top.
Tastes so good. Passions. I love a Ninja Creamy. It's my favorite. Look at how good that looks.
Wednesday night, I was like, no, Tuesday night, I was like, I'm gonna do all.
It's dark in our living room, but I'm gonna eat this and we're gonna watch a movie.
So right.
Well, I didn't know that it was gonna be this insane. You're just. What?
It's Monday now, so I'm just gonna wrap up this video here, but thank you so much for watching it. I really hope that you gained some comfort and liked it. If you have any feedback, please let me know. This is my first video, so I'm open to like anything you have to say, and I really appreciate you spending your time watching this. I've always wanted to create a YouTube, to be honest, since I was in high school, but I just never did. I kind of always told myself, like, it's okay, you don't need to do it. And I went with that narrative for so long, and then sometimes I would like stop thinking about it, and then I'd think about it a lot, and then I'd be like, should I start it now? And then I would just keep pushing it off. And honestly, when you think of something for so long, that means that there is like a greater thing pulling you to it, and you should just do it and then see where it goes. It's always worth it to just try and do. So here I am, I'm trying and I'm doing it. And please, if you have any feedback or just any notes, positive or negative, well, constructive criticism. We don't really like negativity over here. But if you have any feedback, please let me know and share it with me, because I'm new to this and I'm open to any help. Oh, last thing I want to say is, I don't know if you could like tell this over the course of the weekend, but it's always worth it to put in effort. Like, nothing would have happened from this weekend if I didn't put in effort. So just remember in your own life, it's actually not that difficult once you just try. So make the plan and just remember that effort is always worth it and feels really good. So I'm gonna wrap this up here, but thank you so much for watching again. I know this is a little bit of a ramble, but I just want to get some thoughts out. But I'll see you next week, and I hope you have an amazing week. You deserve it. You're wonderful. You're amazing. And life is good. Okay, bye. Love you.